This is the screw jack apparatus. In this simple machine, we will determine efficiency and mechanical advantage of this screw jack. This simple machine comes with two load hangers. One is also already attached with one pulley, and another load hanger is also attached with another pulley. These are the weights that are provided with the equipment. This simple machine consists of a turntable. This round plate, is the turntable. This turntable is mounted on a firm base, and the base is mounted on a firm and rigid frame. Two cords can be wound around the periphery of this turntable. As you can see, these two cords have been wound around the periphery of this turntable. The free ends of the cords have been attached with the load hangers. As you can see, the free ends of the cords have been attached with the load hanger. These load hangers produces non-torque on the turntable. To adjust the experimental parameters further, the calibrated weights can also be applied to the top surface of the turntable. These are the calibrated weights. Right now 5 kg of load has been applied to this turntable screw jack plate. We can apply the effort through these two bottom load hangers until this turntable will start to rotate. The load hanger is itself of 100 gram of weight, and I already applied 200 gram of effort to this turntable. If I further increase the load, say 100 gram, then it may rotate the turntable. Let's see what happens. For 100 gram of weight, this is the 100 gram of weight. I will apply this weight to one of the load hangers, and it might rotate the turntable. I will apply this 100 gram of weight to this load hanger, and the turntable will start to rotate. Now this is our value. 2 load hanger weights plus this 100 gram of weight, total 300 gram of weight. We applied the effort, and it lifted the 5 kg of weight, which is at the top of this turntable. With the help of these loads and efforts, we can find the mechanical advantage of this simple machine, which is known as screw jack. Thank you very much.